So this is the Aspiron Canister vacuum cleaner. Here's the unit itself. Pretty hefty. It's got this swivel wheel here, and these large wheels in the back. It has 20-foot rewinding cord. It's 20 feet long. There it is. Back here is the filters. I access them here. And this is where the dirt goes, right in here. This is the main brush. It has a up and down get the focus here. Okay, it's got an up and down button here. You push that and these brushes come out. Push it the other way and the brushes disappear, of course. You kind of dump down out of the way. Doesn't have a very large aperture for the stuff to go in, but most of the robot vacuums that I've experienced have about that width as well. And I suppose that the air comes and right in. Up. Like all vacuum cleaners, it has a bunch of attachments, little crevice brushes and so forth. And it's got a little scrubber unit. And I guess it's vacuum. You see these fins here, so it's like a water wheel, you know. It's they're driven by the force of the air to do more scrubbing. This is to be tried. Extra filters come with it. So here's the main hose. It's got some kind of release on here. And let's see. On this, this is an extended wand, you know, a long hose. And you push on this and it extends out and locks. Okay. Nice metal. And so, at some point, this all plugs into the there it is. It clips in there. Oops, sorry. It actually clips in there. And then it has two pressy things, and you press on them, and it releases. So, there's that. So now, I'm going to plug it in and start it up. I say I am. Figure out how to get the hose into the hose goes right into that long straight part. And the main brush Catches us like most vacuum cleaners. A couple of wheels on there. So let's start it up and see how much noise this thing makes. It has a dial here for minimum to maximum suction. We'll see how that works. There's your on and off button here. So we'll plug it in and see what happens. And so, that's a good look at this little vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching my video.
Okay, here is the Aspiron vacuum cleaner right here. I'm about ready to run it. Just want to show you what you get, the extra attachments here. You get, that's like a furniture little head there. Pick up head, and then you have all your other little attachments here. You have your crevice tool, dusting tool, and then your little other little tool. And you get the extra filters. I haven't opened them up yet because I don't need them, and I really don't want to get them dirty. So yeah, I open things up and I use them. So that's them. But I tell you, I've already been using it. I really like this vacuum cleaner here. I like the color of it. I like the gray of it. As you can tell, I've already been using it. It's pretty simple. You just press down, and this thing picks up really good. I'm going to do this carpet here. I like the head that's on it. You can push that down for you get a little deeper into the carpet, or if you're vacuuming carpet normally, for that. And this thing picks up really good. One of the things that I like about it is that you can adjust it. It has the adjuster, and I have it on max, so you get max power out of it. And on the handle you have this little thing here that also helps you get power to increase it. And yeah, I really like this thing. I like the long handle so you can reach up and get cobwebs, certainly not with that head on there, but definitely a long enough handle. Anyway, this is the Aspiron. I like it a lot. I'm going to be using it a lot. Quick to do that, and you can unplug it. And I like the automatic roll-up cord here. Let's see if I can do it right without messing it up. And voila! There you go.
just to show how it's good at getting rid of cobwebs. And yes, it's on full blast.
So I got this because I needed just a small vacuum that actually worked, and needed it in my little gym in the basement, and also for my family room downstairs. This is quick and easy, it's powerful. It works really, really well. I can drag it around in the larger room and have no problems. Has great suction, and the accessories caddy is really nice, and this is extendable. It's been a great little product to use.